Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. So today we are going to learn new short sentences. When will you come? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? Does she live here? क्या वो यहाँ रहती है? I am busy. मैं मसरूफ़ हूँ. I apologize. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. You are wasting my time. तुम मेरा वक्त ज़ाया कर रहे हो. Come with me. मेरे साथ आओ. What do you need? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? I cannot wait anymore. मैं मज़ीद इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती. I can't. Where are my clothes? मेरे कपड़े कहाँ हैं? I don't agree. मैं मुत्तफ़िक़ नहीं हूँ. I don't agree. He is on his way. वो रास्ते में है. I did not mean it. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. Stay with me. मेरे साथ रहो. Are you mad at me? क्या तुम मुझ पर गुस्सा हो? Get off my back. मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. Why did you do that? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? I don't have money. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. You are so selfish. तुम बहुत खुदगर्ज हो. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.